Tom, get up. We are going to the Navajo Beach. It is a famous beach.
Okay, Mom, I am waking up.
A towel is important at the beach.
This is my towel.
We dry our body with it. I will use it after swimming. Take your t-shirt.
This is my t-shirt.
Take your sunglasses.
These are my sunglasses.
Put everything in the bag. Take sunscreen.
What is sunscreen? It protects your skin.
Okay, I will take it.
Hat.
This is my hat.
Is everything ready? Yes, my bag is ready.
Good job.
I am ready for the beach. I am ready too.
Everyone, take your bags. We are leaving now.
Kids, hurry up. Don't forget anything.
Let's go.
Take your bags.
I am ready.
We are going to the beach.
Yes, let's go.
Put the bags going.
Bubble tea here.
Everything is inside. Put the bags in the trunk.
I am putting the bag. Put it here. Yay, we're going.
Everything is inside. Great job, everyone. Tom, sit in the back seat. I am sitting. Sarah, sit with Tom.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Put your seatbelt. We are going to the beach.
The weather is nice. Yes, it is sunny.
I see trees.
We are going to the beach. We are here. This is a famous beach in Greece.
The places where the sea.
Take the bags.
Okay,
Bring the umbrella carefully. Hold your things, don't drop them.
I got it.
Okay, let's walk now.
Hold your things, don't drop them.
Okay, Mom.
Walk slowly, the sand is soft.
Okay, Dad.
Let's find a good place so.
This place looks nice. Yes, we can sit here. It is clean.
We will fix the umbrella.
The sand.
This place is clean.
Good for sitting.
It is sunny, so we will sit under the umbrella.
I will help you set it up.
Wow, the beach view looks beautiful from here.
Sit under the umbrella.
This is our place.
I am sitting.
I like it here.
It is comfortable. Drink coconut water.
Drink slowly.
It is sweet. I like this drink.
Eat some snacks. This is pure coconut water from the coconut tree.
It is very healthy and refreshing.
Let's go build it.
Great idea. I'm right behind you.
Yay, big castle. I'll make the tower. This is so fun. Perfect. More sand.
I am coming to the water.
Be careful. Go slowly. The water is very cold, but so fun. Yes, I like the waves. Come, let's play together.
Play safely and enjoy. Hey, everyone!
Daddy, you're here.
Look at our sandcastle.
We made it for you.
Wow, what a beautiful castle.
Let's make it bigger.
Yeah, more
I
sand.
made a tab, sweetie.
This is the best castle ever. What a beautiful evening for a walk.
It's perfect, so peaceful.
And look at the big rocks.
It sure is, sweetie. Welcome. Please wear these life jackets. Everyone, wear your life jacket first.
Okay, give one to me.
This is mine.
Come one by one, get into the boat.
Sit properly and hold tight. Wow, this is so exciting.
Hold on, we are starting the ride. Come one by one, get into the boat.
Sit properly and hold tight. Wow, this is so exciting.
Hold on, we are starting the ride. Hold on tight, everyone. Here we go.
Wow, this is so fast.
See that cave ahead? Let's go explore. Whoa, it's so big.
Sit properly and hold tight. Wow, this is so exciting.
Hold on, we are starting the ride. Hold on tight, everyone.
This is so Neverland. Let's begin. Yeah, I love them.
The water looks clean and calm. Stay close.
Yes, it feels cool and fresh.
Wow, the water is so nice. Look, I can splash.
This water is very peaceful.
Yeah!
Ready for a swim?
Yeah! Let's go! Lift, everyone! I'm the fastest. Racing to the sand, yeah!
That was fun. I love our beach days.
Me too.
Tom, come here. Take this towel.
Okay, Dad.
This is a towel. We use it to dry our hair and body.
Yes, dry yourself properly, or you may feel cold.
Look, I am drying my hair.
Good job. Always dry your body after water.
It feels warm now.
All right, kids. Wake up now. Let's pack our things.
Okay, Dad.
Good job. Take everything with you. Let's go. This Sunday was wonderful. Did you enjoy the beach?
Yay!
We will come again soon.
Let's pack up neatly so we leave nothing behind.
I saw clear water and soft sand. It was amazing.
The beach is beautiful, but we must always keep it clean.
The waves were so fun and cool.
The sea is powerful, so we must always be careful and always stay together near the water. Today we learned and enjoyed at the same time.